beauties, it's me Evie, and I am back with some BoxyCharm for you. This month we have 3 boxes because it is Lux time. It just seems like it rolls around so fast. Lux time again, and that means I have 3 boxes to open, but you also know that I do them in separate videos, so I hope you stay tuned for those. But this one is the base box. Here we have our little base box. We know that it's 5 full-size items, and it can retail up to $200. It's $27.99 a month. So let's just jump into this box. Here we have the inside. Let's just pull out the first one. The first thing I see is something that we have actually received before, the Luxe brushes. Now, I'm not sad about this because I absolutely love these brushes. In fact, I used one this morning, and they have a little sponge in there. And then you have 4 eye brushes. And these brushes are so good. I put my makeup on with this one and this one this morning, and I love these. I use them all the time. I will be more than likely keeping these for backup because you can never have too many brushes. This is called the Luxie, as you can see. This is called the Laurie-Florals Brush Set. And it says that you can soar into spring with a new brush set featuring 4 new brushes, a eyeliner brush, a tapered blending brush, a eyeshadowing brush, and a concealer brush, a detailed blender sponge, and a pastel purple pouch. And this retails for $40. And I can tell you, this is something I have received in a Boxy before, and I love them. So we have this product from Rare Beauty, Always an Optimist Illuminating Primer. Boxy loves primers. I love primers, but I'm beginning to get a very big collection because I want to use them all and see which ones I like the best. Oh, this is interesting. It comes in a pump out. So this says it's a cool water-based gel primer that soothes, hydrates, and illuminates skin, prepping you for makeup that looks and feels its best all day. Ultra fine pearls give skin a soft, lit from within glow. Oh, I'd be like really excited to try this, especially when I want like a very natural, I'm not wearing makeup kind of day. So I will definitely be trying this. We have this. I haven't had this before, so I don't know if this has been in other boxes, but this retails for $26. This blue box looks familiar. I'm not going to open this one. I'll probably be sending this one to my mother. She's always like, my eyes, my eyes. I'm like, okay, fine. So this is from Generation Skin, Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches, and these are quite lovely. I have actually given some of these to a friend before, and she likes them as well. These are super hydrating for that under the eye area that most women at a certain age become more and more aware of. So it says marine algae is a straight from the sea skincare savor dense with vitamins, minerals, proteins, and essential fatty acids. When applied to the delicate skin around your eyes, it helps firm, soothe, plump, and brighten like nothing else. If you're looking for a dewier, fresher look, peepers, use these ASAP. These retail for $49, and they're very, very soothing. I can attest to that. Next, we have a product that I also have not had before. This is from Frank Body. It's a brightening vitamin C mask. Now, you know I love a good mask. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's a pump. I like that. I love those kinds of bottles. This is an active brightening vitamin C mask that multitask. Natural and cruelty-free. It says that it is an active brightening vitamin C mask that multitask. There is something that scares me a little bit on here. It says it dissolves your top layer of dead, dull, damaged skin, and that seems terrifying, but that skin needs to come off, I suppose. So I will definitely give this a try and let you know. This retails for $19.95. The last thing we have is from LaurenConradbeauty, the liquid eyeliner. It says, line your lashes with rich color that stays true through wear with its lightweight, non-smudging formula. And this retails for $20. Now, I'm all about a smudge-free liner because those are hard to come by sometimes. Ooh, look at that. How fine that line is. Well, I didn't push hard enough. Okay. Wow, you can go from like that, and then you can make it a little bit thicker. That's really pretty, and it's not like a harsh black. It says it's onyx, so that will go into my gear for my face. So this retails for $20 if I haven't mentioned it. This is a brand that we've seen before, but I have never received this product. So this box in all is $134 total. We know that the base box can go up to $200, and it's 5 full-size items for the monthly cost of $27.99. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. Thank you, BoxyCharm, for gifting these products, and I will see you next time. Remember, be your own beautiful. Like, comment, and subscribe.